Hi beauties, how are you doing? Hopefully you are good. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I decided to do this spring twist. Oh my goodness, I'm so in love with this hair. This is my very first time to try this hair, and I'm so in love with this hair because first, it's so light. Like, this hair is so light, yet it's so easy to style. So guys, if you're my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, honey. I do appreciate your support and thank you so much. But if you're new to this family, thank you so much for stop by. Kindly, before you leave, hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Straight to the video, I started by parting my hair. You may either decide to go with bigger section or small section depending on how long you want to keep this hairstyle. And the second, you have to make sure you have gel that work pretty good on your hair. So after I part the first time, I go ahead and apply some gel, and then I redo the section again to get clean and neat. And after this, I go ahead and I part my hair into two sections just like so, and then each side I divide again into two to get easy for even parts. As I said, the hair I use is spring hair. I ordered this hair online, and sadly this hair, it comes without any tag again. But this is spring hair color 1B, and this is 12 inches long. This is one pack and this is how it is. They are so beautiful. I'm so in love with this hair. And then I will go ahead and pull one strand just like this way. And I'm not going to braid the whole piece because I don't want this hair to be long. I just want the length up to my shoulder only. And then each piece I cut into two like this way, and then I hold those two pieces together to braid one section. And the way I braid is normal way. I make the spring hair two side to be two strand, while the third strand is my natural hair. So after that, I do normal way box braid, the way we braid box braid, and then I braid till I feel like my hair is well secured. Don't braid too short because end of the day this hair will flip out. So you have to make sure you braid long enough to make sure like this hair is hold well. And after that, I divide my hair into two and I apply gel again. Why I apply gel again? Because after you apply some gel, you'll find out it's so easy to tuck in your natural hair more than to start to braid without apply any gel. You'll find it's a bit difficult to tuck in natural hair, especially natural hair is so easy to show flies. So after that, I keep twist. As you can see here, nothing, I'm not rolling, I just wrap this hair. Yes, and I keep wrapping like this way till the end of this strand. And to avoid this strand to unravel, in the end I take very tiny piece, then I secure. This the first one I didn't do that, and then when I keep braiding I realized that no, I have to secure this hair in the end. So again, make section, apply some gel so that you can hold your hair well and you can get clean and neat section. Each piece I cut into two and I pull like this way. As you can see, even after pull, the spring is still there. And then I hold two strands while the third strand is my natural hair. I start braiding. As I said, you may either decide to braid like 10 steps or 8 steps. Don't braid like 5 steps, sorry. Don't braid like 4 or 5 steps, then you stop, because this hair is so soft. You'll find out this hair flip out. Make sure you braid long enough and make sure the hair is well secured. And then apply some gel on your hair so that it will be so easy to tuck in the hair. So after tuck in, you don't need to roll before twist as we usually do. regular twist. Here what I do, I just make this twist. I follow the twist way. It's like I pull them on top of each other and keep going and keep going. Simple and clear like this. As I said in the end, I take a tiny piece. You may either decide to take from right or left side and then secure your hair because you don't want your hair to unravel. And guys, a lot of people that have been asking like, Glory, can we see both sides on how you braid? Some they said I don't do my hair by myself. I'm lying to you guys. And in today's video, I decided to show you all sides of my head, how I hold the hair in the back. And this is how I usually hold my hair in the back when I braid. And as you can see, it's so easy once you get used into it. It's so easy to do it. In the beginning, it's a bit difficult because once you do that, you'll feel your hands are hurting. But once you get used, I'm telling you, it's so easy. And because in the back, the section is bigger compared with in the front, in the back, after I braid, till the length I feel like here I braid longer enough, I divide my natural hair into two as the way I hold braiding hair into two. And then both sides I applied some gel and then I start to twist. And then to avoid my hair to show out, I make sure I tuck in my hair well. And before I pass my hair, I make sure I'm very focused to make sure my hair does not show out. And then I keep going till the end of this twist. And then again, here we go. I show other side of my head. This is how I hold the hair and this is how I braid. Hopefully this is gonna help somebody out there on how you can hold your hair well to get clean and neat sections and yet to make your braids to be in the middle, not side, because sometimes when you hold hair from other side of your head and if you didn't put your hands in the middle of the section, it's so easy to make the section looks aside. But once you use this method, like the way I show you guys how to hold hair in different angle, trust me, you'll be able to make your hair like so real pro, just like pro, let me say this, like pro, which it's even more good. The hair looks more professional. And guys, I'm almost done. This is the last section. And it doesn't matter if I'm in the front section or I'm in the back. I always hold my hair going backward because once you do that, it's so easy to style this hair in any style you want. But once you hold your hair like this in front, way go in front or side go in one side, it will be a little bit hard to style in different ways because the hair will be like all of them, they'll go in the same direction. So once you hold the hair in the back, you'll find out it's so easy to style in so many ways. Because each strand are cut into two, of course when I braid you can see some hair pieces they come out before I finish to braid. So here I'll take scissor and make sure I trim off all the hair shows out and make sure everything is clean and neat, just like this way. And let me put on my makeup and come with final look. And this is the final result for today's video. Kindly let me know in comment section, what do you think about this hairstyle? Will you try it? And do you love this hair? Hopefully you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, Don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. And also don't forget to share with your loved ones. I love you guys and see you soon. Bye.